A child must know that he is a miracle. Since the beginning of the world, there hasn't been. Until the end of the world, there will not be another child like him. Good morning. On behalf of Secretary Hamdard Education Society, Principal, Vice Principal, we academician of Hamdard Public School take this grand opportunity to welcome you for exuberant Children's Day. Let's start the program with Kirat.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم كلا إن الإنسان ليطغى أن رآه استغنى إن إلى ربك الرجعى صدق الله العظيم. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Read, O Prophet, in the name of your Lord who created humans from a clinging cloth. Read, and your Lord is the most generous, who taught by the pen, taught humanity what they knew not. Most certainly one exceeds all bounds. Once they think they are self-sufficient. But surely to your Lord is the return of all.
A mentor is someone who allows you to see inside yourself. Let's hearken to visionary thoughts of fervent supporter of preeminence, our admirable principal.
Good morning. Assalamu alaikum, children. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Dear children, you are very special. You have a lot of capabilities and potential, and you are God's special gift given to us. We miss you, and I hope in this pandemic you are safe and healthy with your family. On this occasion, I like to share a story with you. A story of two friends, a story about friendship, a story about memories. The friends used to enjoy each other's company. They used to eat together, sleep together, even quarrel together. That's what you do at times. But the difference was that one of the friends, whenever he quarreled with his friend, he used to go and write that on a beach or a sand. And he used to write, "Today my friend has hurt me," or "I had a quarrel with my friend." But whenever the friend did something good to him, he went onto a rock and he used to engrave that on the rock and say, "Today my friend made me happy. Because of him I was happy. He did something good to me." One day, the other friend asked his friend, "Why do you do that? Every time we quarrel, you go and write something on the sand, and when we are happy together, you write that on a rock. I would like to know why you do that." So the friend replied. He said that when we quarrel, I write it on the sand so that the water can erase what I had written. It is momentary. We fight, we do not like each other that moment. But when I write something on the rock, it stays forever. And for that, I am grateful to God that He has given me a friend like you. I'm grateful to the Almighty that the memories that I have about you are all positive, and all the negative memories just fade away or are washed away. So we are friends forever. This is what I like to reiterate, children, that you become friends, you become those children to your loved ones, to your family, to your friends, even to your teachers, because keeping good memories, being positive in life is always going to be helpful. It will take you a long way. It will help you in achieving your dreams because mindset. All the bad memories. Today, we are all unhappy because of the pandemic. We cannot move around, have to maintain social distancing. We are not the same that we were last year. Even the Children's Day celebration is not happening. It's a virtual platform. So we are all adapting and adopting to the new normal. But remember, children, we miss you from the bottom of our hearts. The teachers are missing you. I am missing you. Even we want you back soon in the classes, in the school, because school is not school if you and the teachers are not around. So be positive, be healthy, be safe, and once again, I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Thank you and God bless.
Education is incomplete without the commitment for your compatriot, sovereign state, and its glorification. Let's have the pledge from discerning and proficient Vice Principal.
Good morning. Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, classmates, and all my elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. I pledge my devotion to my country and my people. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Dear students, I wish you a very happy Children's Day.
Let's have the prayer from conscientious Poonam ma'am.
Good morning. Today's prayer. We thank you, Lord, for one more day, for books and works and play. We thank you for the games and fun, for daylight and the golden sun. We thank you for the food we eat, for friends and people that we meet, for animals and trees and flowers and all the blessings which are yours. God, we thank you for the night and for the pleasant morning light, for rest and food and loving care, and all that makes the world so fair. Help us to do things we should, to be kind and good to others, in all we do, in all we say, to grow more loving every day. Amen.
An investment in education pays the best. Let's ponder upon the denotative meaning of Children's Day from Mellifluous Fausia ma'am.
Every time a child is born, the world is renewed in innocence. Yes, today is the day to celebrate innocence, to celebrate purity, to celebrate love. A very happy good morning and a very cheerful Children's Day to all of you. Children's Day is celebrated in India on November 14 every year. It commemorates the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who loved children immensely, and children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of our country. These words of Pandit Nehru hold a gravitas to be remembered for ages. Children are 1/3 of our population, but all of our future. When we invest in you, we invest in our future. When we nurture you, we nurture our future. And when we love you, we cherish the fondest memories that we have of our childhood. Trust me, we adults are just outdated children, and we would do anything to be a child again. However, we are lucky and thankful that every time we look at you, we get to relive our childhood. Today, my dear children, is your day. We wish joy, happiness, and peace for you. In the words of Malala Yousafzai, to every child, I dream of a world where you can dance, sing, laugh, learn, live in peace, and be happy. We all love you. Thank you.
Pleasure in itself is unqualified and affords no differential. Let's be an onlooker on the testimony of the ordeal of a teacher in networked platform.
Good morning, Hina. Good morning, Nadeem. Movies, how are you? Switch on your cameras. Nadeem, Hina. Javed, where are you? Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Javed, where is your video? Switch on your video.
Ma'am, I don't know how it is open.
Javed, just check in your window. You can see at your left side. There is
Yes,
a button.
yes, ma'am. I got
Start
it. I
your
got
video.
it.
Okay.
I got it. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. It's okay, ma'am.
It is okay. It is now okay. It is better.
Yes, yes, yes. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
Javed. Yes, Javed.
Ma'am, can I drink a cup of tea? I haven't
Javed,
breakfast
it
yet.
is, dear children, it is not allowed to eat in class. This is our teaching time. This is your time and my time to talk to each other, to learn the subject. In your break time, you can have it. Hina, what are you doing?
Just one cup. Ma'am, just one cup.
Javed, don't do that. You are a good boy. You will
Okay,
have
okay, ma'am.
10
Okay,
minutes
ma'am.
break
Sorry.
after my class. That time you not do it, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Sorry. Okay, ma'am. Sorry.
Dear children, switch on your videos. I can see Mugi is not opening his videos, though it is a clear instruction given to you all. Nadeem, good morning. How are you? Nadeem, I don't want to see this book. Please show me your face. I have to take attendance. Sabir,
Good morning, ma'am. Good
in
morning.
your window, what is happening there?
Ma'am, Sabir
Morning,
is not allowing me to do the class.
Sabir, don't push him. Sabir, don't push him. What is happening there? This is your class time.
Why should I put mask? I am at home.
8 महीने से तेरा चेहरा देख रहा हूँ जाओ
Sabir, don't talk in Hindi. This is your English class.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry. I won't repeat.
okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Sabir, mute yourself. Uma, where is your video today? Uma,
And Sabir is disturbing class.
Sabir,
Good morning, ma'am.
Uma, where is your video? Were you sleepy?
Ma'am, I'm not disturbing the class.
Ma'am.
He is saying simply,
Uma,
I'm
you are
not disturbing
sounding
the class.
sleepy. Dear, what happened?
मैम अभी तो मैं सो के उठी हूँ मैम.
Ma'am,
I'm
every time
sorry,
Sabir is
ma'am.
disturbing class.
Mughis, who's doing it? Nadeem, what is happening? Nadeem, show me your
Sabir
face.
doing.
No, Uma, please mute yourself, everyone. Nadeem, what
Ma'am,
is
I'm not
happening? I
doing.
don't want to
I'm
see
a
your
gentle
face.
boy.
Okay, Sabir.
I'm a gentle boy, ma'am. You know me.
And there, yes, Sabir, I know you.
Thank
Oh,
you, ma'am.
Uma, why are you sleeping? This is your class time, you're yawning. What happened?
Ma'am, someone
Ma'am,
playing
yesterday
song,
night I
music.
saw.
Who's playing this
Sleep
Shakira
late,
at the
ma'am.
background? Who's playing this song? Nadeem, show me your face. You are showing me your book. I want to give attendance, and please, I need to see who's sitting there. Okay, okay. Yes, Nadeem. Now
Can
it's
I
better.
take a glass of water, ma'am?
Yes, Uma, you can have water. She's a good girl. She takes permission for drinking water also.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good girl.
Thank you.
Ma'am, may I drink water? May I drink water?
Yes, Mughis, you can. You can have it. Mute yourself first and do it.
Sabah
Joy,
ma'am, I have come to Nadeem because Sabir is not at all good with me. I am a
oh,
good
poor
friend with
boy.
Nadeem. I am doing the class with Nadeem.
Okay. So, dear children,
Ma'am,
it is very
ma'am,
good
ma'am,
caring and sharing. We should learn
ma'am.
from Nadeem also. Please give him a quick reaction. Give him thumbs up. Give him your
Ma'am,
thumbs up. I like this, that you are a good class. Nadeem is a good boy. He helps others. Very good. Very good,
Thank
Nadeem.
you, ma'am. Thank you.
But ma'am, Sujoy
Wasim,
was not in
what-
my class.
Excuse me. Wasim, what is happening? You are sleeping?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You are lying down on your bed. This is your class
No,
time.
no,
Why are you
ma'am.
not sitting properly?
Ma'am,
Sorry,
two
ma'am.
thumbs up.
Okay,
Sorry, ma'am.
Uma. Wasim, this should not be repeated. You
And
must
see what
sit
Mughis
properly.
And see what
Okay.
Mughis is doing.
What happened? Mughis, what happened? Why are you troubling
Ma'am,
others?
ma'am, heart symbol. He is
Excuse
showing
me,
a heart
ma'am.
symbol.
Heart
Ma'am,
symbol.
excuse me.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Javed.
excuse me.
Yes,
मैम
Javed.
आज कौन सा चैप्टर पढ़ना है?
Yes,
Ma'am,
dear
which
all, today
topic?
we will
Ma'am,
study.
which topic?
Dear,
Ma'am, Hina कुछ पूछना चाहिए. She is asking something.
Syed Wasim, you are talking in Hindi in English class. This is not done. Hina, what
Okay, sorry.
happened? Hina,
I'm attending your class. I'm attending your class. Actually, my parrot is speaking behind. Not
your
me.
parrot, he is so intelligent that he is repeating, he is copying.
Yes.
Okay, let's start the
Yes,
topic.
ma'am.
Today we will be starting with
Excuse
one
me,
act.
ma'am.
Name is the
Excuse me,
marriage
ma'am.
proposal. Oh,
Ma'am, excuse me.
mine. We can see one. Please, children, please pay attention. There is one SRK entering our classroom. I'm so honored. Shah Rukh Khan is entering our class.
Shahrukh Khan, Shahrukh Khan, Shahrukh Khan, Shahrukh Khan.
मैम
Shahrukh
मेरा
Khan.
सलाम कहिएगा उनको. मेरा सलाम
Mute
कहिएगा मैम.
yourself, everyone. Mute yourself.
Ma'am.
Please don't allow, ma'am.
Yes, Uma, I need to take strict action against him. But firstly, I may see that who is he. Please switch on your video.
And see, Mughis is playing.
Mughis, why have you brought your toy here in class? And you all are in good class. You should understand.
Ma'am, he is doing every time.
All of them, ma'am, they all are speaking and disturbing. Kindly mute them.
What is happening? What is this? What? I may not allow such children to be there in my class. I'm removing.
Ma'am.
Who's this? See, dear children, I may tell you that it is only you who is going to share the class passwords to your friends. Otherwise, no one else can have it because we share it with you. So it is your responsibility that no such
Ma'am,
class. Let us start the chapter. Again, it is happening. Yes. Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning.
morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Good to see you. Nadeem, very good morning. Sujoy, good morning. I am happy that you have switched on your videos today from the beginning. Javed, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Wasim. You are better today. Yesterday you were sleeping and today you are fresh, sitting very well, very good. You all are looking great. So let's start the chapter. With new day, new thoughts will come. Let's forget about what happened yesterday. I hope now nothing that sort will happen that happened yesterday. And today we'll be starting our new chapter. The name is the marriage proposal. That's a one act play. But before that, I would like to.
मैम
Yes, Javed. Yes, Javed.
मैम नदीम आया है। नदीम बहुत दिनों बाद आया क्लास
Yes,
में।
yes, you are right. Nadeem, how are you? Where were you for such a long time?
Ma'am, I don't want to join the online class.
Why, Nadeem? Why is that so?
Ma'am, because yesterday when I came to the class after a long time, there was so much chaos, the music was playing, and everyone was shouting, ma'am, this, ma'am, that. This disturbs me, ma'am. That's why I don't want to join the class.
Very true. Very true. And I'm sorry on their behalf. Dear children, now
Sorry,
you can
ma'am.
see.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. मैं कमरुद्दीन जो कल गलती हुई मैम सॉरी प्लीज फॉरगिव मी
Okay, Kamruddin, that's all fine.
Sorry, ma'am, for yesterday.
It's okay, movies. It's perfectly fine.
Music is the literature of heart. It commences where speech ends. Let's hear a beautiful nazm from songsmith Sabir sir.
Dear children, a very very happy Children's Day to all of you. Children, childhood is the best portion of our lives. Today I am going to recite a very beautiful poem on childhood in Urdu for all of you, and here it goes. चलो फिर ढूंढ लाएं हम उसी मासूम बचपन को, उन्हीं मासूम खुशियों को, उन्हीं रंगीन लम्हों को, जहाँ गम का पता न था, जहाँ दुख की खबर न थी, जहाँ बस मुस्कुराहट थी, बहारें ही बहारें थी, कि जब सावन बरसता था तो उस कागज़ की कश्ती को बनाना और डुबा देना बहुत अच्छा सा लगता था। न मन में थी कोई नफ़रत, न माथे पे शिकन सा था, हंसी दुनिया का हर चेहरा बहुत सच्चा सा लगता था। चलो फिर ढूंढ लाएं हम उसी मासूम बचपन को, उन्हीं मासूम खुशियों को, उन्हीं रंगीन लम्हों को। अम्मी की मखमली गोद थी, पापा का प्यारा शाना था, दादी की दिलकश कहानियाँ थीं, दादा का उम्दा फसाना था। न दौलत की चाहत थी, न शोहरत का सपना था, हमें जो प्यार देता था बस वही तो अपना था। चलो फिर ढूंढ लाएं हम उसी मासूम बचपन को, उन्हीं मासूम खुशियों को, उन्हीं रंगीन लम्हों को। बहुत शुक्रिया।
We teachers feel like celebrities in our own schools, all because of you little angels. Let's have a propitious journey with pulchritudinous yet inveterate Sabha ma'am.
Good morning, students. We teachers have a love for you that is hard for other people even to imagine. We love you all. Each year, new family members are added in this beautiful HPS family. We welcome them all. Even when you are not able to follow through or act or do not do the work, we never leave you. Why? Because we care for you. Here is something that we wish you to know when we are not together. Our hearts still ache with sadness, many tears still flow. What it meant to lose you, no one will ever know. We keep you close in our hearts, and there you will remain forever to walk through our lives until we meet again. We miss you all.
मिस करते हैं हम 7 बजे की क्लास को, गुड मॉर्निंग की आवाज को. Those days were wow. We all miss them now.
हम भी मिस करते हैं आपके हर प्रयास को, क्लास के हर बदमाश को हम भी मिस करते हैं. Those days were wow. We miss them now.
हम भी मिस करते हैं लेक्चर के बीच उस मस्ती को, क्लास की हर हस्ती को, कक्षा में बैठकर धीरे धीरे कुछ खाना और चुपके से बातें करना, पकड़े जाने पर बड़ी मासूमियत से साथ बैठे दोस्त पर आरोप लगाना हम भी मिस करते हैं. Those days were wow. We all miss them now.
हम भी मिस करते हैं न्यूमेरिकल से घबराते उन चेहरों को, न्यूटन और आइंस्टाइन के उन भतीजों को और आपके फिजिक्स लैब को हम भी मिस करते हैं. Those days were wow. We miss them now.
हम भी मिस करते हैं केमिस्ट्री की मिस्ट्री को और आपकी प्यारी डॉर्मेट्री को. Those days were wow. We all miss them now.
हम भी मिस करते हैं पिकनिक डे में प्रेजेंट रहना और एग्जाम डे में जानबूझकर एब्सेंट होना. Those days were wow. We all miss them now.
हम भी मिस करते हैं स्कूल बस में मोबाइल स्विच ऑफ ना करना, साइलेंट पर रखना और पकड़े जाने पर कहना, अरे मैम मम्मी का कॉल था. Those days were wow. We all miss them now.
हम भी मिस करते हैं, हम भी मिस करते हैं आपकी हर उस टेंशन को, ASL के टॉपिक सिलेक्शन को, स्कूल के हर फंक्शन को हम भी मिस करते हैं. Those days were wow and we miss them now.
हम भी मिस करते हैं आपका वो टाई को बैग में रख लेने को और फिर वॉलंटरीली डिफॉल्टर बन जाने को. Those days were wow. We miss them now.
The best portion of a good man's life is his little nameless, unencumbered acts of kindness and love. Let's apprehend from embodiment of endearment our adorable Samar Hamid sir.
A very good morning. Children are God's gift to parents. For me, it has always been Children's Day every day, and I feel that we should celebrate our children all year round. It is also perhaps an appropriate way of thanking the Almighty for bestowing them on us and giving us the privilege of loving, nurturing, caring, and guiding them along the straight path. 14th November has specifically been chosen as Children's Day for a very special reason. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, a leader that spearheaded our struggle for independence and was the first Prime Minister of our country. He was a great statesman and a charismatic figure who left an indelible mark on the psyche of the country. I vividly recall that as a child, I saw him as a role model, a towering personality, yet approachable and gentle. However, his birthday is not Children's Day for these reasons. It is Children's Day on 14th November because Panditji loved children, and his life in pictures has many that show him expressing his love for them. Today we reaffirm our love for children and honor Panditji's memory. I wish you all a very happy and healthy Children's Day. May God bless you all.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले, मस्ती में तू डोल रे। बम बम बोले, मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले, मस्ती में तू डोल रे। भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं, ऐसे भी सोचो ना। सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए। हमें ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे। खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। क्यों टैंकर फुल, आंखें बंद तो डब्बा गुल। ओए बंद दरवाजे खोल रे, हो जा बिंदास बोल रे। मैं भी हूँ तू भी है, ओ मैं भी तू भी, हम सब मिलके बम चिक बम 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 बम। ऐसी रंगों भरी अपनी दुनिया है क्यों, सोचो तो सोचो ना। प्यार से चुन के इन रंगों को किसी ने सजाया। ये संसार है जो इतनी सुंदर है अपनी दुनिया। ऊपर वाला क्या कोई कलाकार है। खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले।